Hi friends, you see my second video we talking about practical application of coefficient of variance, standard deviation and mean. Taking an example Tata IPL 2023. So we taking two cricket players Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma who is better consistent in last 5 matches. Now we talking about a real life application practical application of in manufacturing industries. Here having line 1 and line 2. There are two lines and we compare which one line is more consistent in their productions. So this is a production data. These data are collected from last week. So this is a line 1 having data. This production data is 471 950 and so on. This is a line 2 having production data 0 because this is no production, and here 360 parts are produced. So this is a production data of line 1 and line 2, and we compare which one line is more consistently produced part. So line 1, if you calculate mean, then all these value is added and divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6, number of 6 divided. So mean is calculated here 628.5. And line 2, if line 2 we calculated mean, then it will be comes out the value of 734. Okay, now we calculated standard deviation of line 1 from this data. So this is a 471 minus mean 621.5 whole square plus adding all values divided by number of data is 6 minus 1 because n minus 1. If you see my first video, what is the formula saying, you clear out this confusions. So line 1 having standard deviation 489.23, line 2 having standard deviation 458.25. you taken data from here and calculated this all one. So line 1 having standard deviation this, line 2 having standard deviation this. Now we calculated coefficient of variance of line 1. So standard deviation of line 1 is this divided by its mean line 1. This will be comes out standard deviation of line 1 is coefficient of variance is of line 1 is 0.778 and coefficient of variance line 2 is standard deviation of line 2 divided by standard mean of line 2. So standard deviation of line 2 is this and mean of line 2 is this. If you calculate it, then it will be comes out coefficient of variance of line 2 equals to 0.624. So friends, this take here, this is a more better having consistency as compared to line 1. So line 2 is more consistent as compared to line 1, but this is not much more difference, because if you differentiate between them line 1 and 2, then you find out 0.154. so you can say line 1 and line 2 having consistency close to each other, but at precisely you compare, then you can say line 2 having more consistent as compared to line 2. So this is a data based on, this is a real practical application of manufacturing industry. So thank you, I hope you enjoy this video.